Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.0 on Kubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website. It is PostgreSQL.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is PostgreSQL 18. Click on download or download, both are same. Then select Linux, then select Ubuntu. Then run these commands one by one to install PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay, so copy this command. This will install call and CA certificates. Copy it. Open terminal or console. See here we have the console. Open it. Paste it. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Control it. Now import repository signing. Now create the repository configuration file. Now update the packages sudo apt update. All packages are up to date. Control it. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. If you want to install 17, give 17. So 18 is the latest version. I am going to install latest version. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 18. Type A for confirmation, and also these dependencies and new packages. Type A and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and also see here default values max function set to 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, time zone Asia and Kolkata. This is based on my system settings. Okay, now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running, and it is enabled. You took it. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Okay, and this is not the version of the PostgreSQL server. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. Select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 18.0. We took it. Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So first verify list of users /du. The commands that starts with / are called meta commands in PostgreSQL server. Hit enter. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. We can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres. Alter means we have successfully set the password. Okay, remember this, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify list of databases /l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Q to quit. We can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, we got the same. Now create database. Control A. Create data. See, we have created database. Verify again. See, we have created database, and this is the one of the database. You took it. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, you have to use /c, then provide the name of the database, or you can use connect. Both are same. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. Let us create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema. This is the one of the table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we'll create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use the \q, then psql -h. H means host name, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. You can give IPR, server name. Okay. Then -u must be caps. Then new user name is David -d means database name, Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission enough for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.0 on Kubuntu 24.0. Okay. So we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit from it. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL. Connect. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started. Okay. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. We have restarted. Let us verify. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted 2 seconds ago. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using psql client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbr. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbr on Ubuntu type operating systems. Okay. The last option that I want to show you is connect to PostgreSQL server sudo su-postgres psql. Now we'll find the list of the config files and data and log directory locations. So config_file. See, PostgreSQL.conf is the configuration file which contains server level configuration information. Okay. Now find the HBA file. HBA means host based authentication, which contains authentication rules. See, both are in the same directory. Okay. Now find the data directory, data_directory. Now find the log directory, log_directory. Okay. So exit. So in this video, we have seen how to install configure PostgreSQL server 18.0 on Kubuntu 24.04. Okay. For more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.